Hello everybody, my name is Simon Masters. I work for UKSolarWizard, and the purpose of this demonstration is to illustrate our solar predictive software. I'm just going to show you very quickly with this simple entry screen how we go about calculating the feed-in tariff and savings estimate for a complex. Well, we do a simple one first. Let's put in 16 250 watt panels, and you can see that here we have a number of data input boxes. The user is guided through the process by the color coding on the screen. So it's a fairly straightforward process to actually dictate what kind of system we've got here on a 25-degree slope. So let's put it somewhere in Taunton. I think I can actually type in TA there. Yes, I can. Straight away, don't have to select from valid postcode area. And let's say that this particular set of panels is basically facing, what should we have, south-southwest. So on this basis, the system has calculated the SAP basis for calculation and also a postcode based evaluation, and we have here the option of selecting that we will use the SAP calculation. So on the basis of the SAP calculation, our year one performance is a generation income of £511 with a export tariff of £159. Now let's just quickly suggest that what we might like to do is evaluate that against, say, some alternative which might be an east-west split. So we'll put 8 panels facing east and 8 panels facing west and see what the effect of that is. So there, the west one's just gone on the roof there, and put the east ones on the roof here. And on that basis, we have a different proposition altogether, but you can see the summary information over here is being updated as we evaluate this particular proposition. So that's slightly more sophisticated. We might have the panels orientated in different ways. Now you can see it's quite straightforward to put them in different parts of the world. So say we go down to Torquay. Hello? Yeah. So in that simple example, we had an east-west split for a 4 kilowatt system. Here indicated summary total data. What would happen if we were to place these panels in a different, well, say the client actually said, well, I see now that the fit runs out on, we don't know what the data is for after the 1st of March, sorry, for commissioning date after the 1st of April. So let's put in something from the 1st of July. And the historical data is, sorry, the future predictions are there as best we know them at the moment. The data is held in a different part of the spreadsheet, so that it's very easy to actually include the new dates. What would happen if this customer wanted a slightly larger system? Well, we can just watch the fit tariff here, and if I put in an 8 kilowatt system with 16 panels on 2 different roofs, you see that the generation tariff drops, and our figures here recalculate accordingly. So fairly straightforward to put into anything up to 4 orientations with any number of dates, and we can use a number of different predictions. We can say what happens if this, how does it change if we use local data for insolation, and we'll do a short recording of the two options here, which include a 50% savings estimate and also a more, that's awkward, never mind, we'll get that sorted in a minute. Use a more realistic estimate because obviously if we put in a huge PV system attracted by the tax-free feed-in income and generation income and export income, the amount of saving is not substantially increased because this amount of electricity cannot be consumed in the home. So under these circumstances then we can easily put in quite large systems of PV and evaluate their the possibilities. I'm not sure what's going on here, I better check that out. And one of the things that the system has got is of course the ability to prevent you from except it doesn't. So with protection turned on, the data entry screen for the system does not allow me to edit or select cells that I should not really be editing as a simple user of the system. Can't accidentally go about changing things here now. But all of the ones that fairly easy to change it if it's a new build. Not yet. Got the data for that, and I got to find out what's going on here. So that's an introduction, very brief, to the data entry screen for UKSolarWizard for solar PV.